Hi, this is Lifey. It's a bioinformatics based web project hosted into a web hosting server. You can visit from lifey.rf.cd. This is an intro page. In home page, use some animations. Sticky navbar, you see our client's review. Here is a toggle button with some pages link attached. I have to log in to visit those pages. In our logging registration system, we used blowfish hash salt encryption method and email verification. In my appointment system, I can create an appointment and check my appointment. Also see my prescriptions from a specialist. Now if I logged in as a doctor, then in my consult page I can see my patient list and I can prescribe them also. If I log in as an admin mode, here I can control all over the website. In dashboard, all those things can be changes and edited automatically. I can change image, informations, etc. I can control users, change their activated status, deactivated them, and in contract page, if someone try to contact with us, can send us an email, and those email I can reply from in this user record page automatically and send those email. In service page, visitors can see what we are trying to provide our users. Here is a frequently asked questions page. See some things, find your helps. This is our about page. IMD Moniruzzaman Joy and Sadman Jahin created this page. So this is all about our page Lifey.